Hey everybody, Kathy here, and it is another windy day in Bullhead City. This is the windiest day I think I've seen. We have 36-mile-an-hour winds with gusts like 50 to 60. So it's a rocking and rolling in here today. You should see how I have my solar panels. I'm going to have to take my camera out there later because it's hilarious. I have them tied to rocks and chairs. But they're working. They're working like that. They're not flying away. You can probably hear the wind. Man, I had to shut my door. There's just too much. Usually I put bungee cords on my door, but they were like looking like they were gonna snap. I'm like, forget it. I'll bust my door some other kind of way, you know? I don't need any more drama. The winds are supposed to die down tomorrow, so I'm planning on leaving tomorrow. I'm just about out of propane and my water too. So depending on how it goes, because I think I can get water and a dump down the road. There's an RV park, and Rick was telling me you can get water and dump there, I believe. And Rick texted me this morning and asked me if I had mice in here. I guess he has a couple mice. I'm like, no, I don't think so. And I gave him a couple mouse traps, and I checked under my hood, and I saw a mouse turd and little mouse prints in the dust on the top. But I had sprayed it with Simple Green, and I know that sounds crazy, but a lot of people swear by it. And supposedly it lasts about 6 months if you spray your engine with the Simple Green. And I sprayed some more in there after I saw that, but I didn't see any damage. I meant to start. Oh my God. I'm glad I'm not in Parker or Ehrenberg. They're probably having a dust storm. They had a warning last night on the Weather Channel that it was going to be dusty. And I know, because I've been there when it was windy, and it is dusty. That's one good thing about here. It gets windy a lot, but it's not dusty. So there's not dust flying. It's just rocking and rolling, and it sounds like things are getting torn off my roof. So anyhow, I'm just letting you know what I've been up to. Getting ready to go. Rick's getting ready to go. So I'm gonna end up back in Quartzsite eventually. It's so windy today that I have wind power. The wind is blowing my fan. Look at how fast it's going. Alright, I'm out exploring again, and I'm on top of another little mountain. Man, I wish I would have found this road earlier. I wasn't planning on making any more videos from this place, but I found this other place here. I took some pictures. I don't know if I'm going to do a whole video. Man, there's a lot of places to explore. I went through a gate, kind of a gate, and man, I guess this is the mining operation. It's really cool. There's a lot of places to explore back here, and I'm leaving in a couple days. Oh well. Bees are blooming everywhere. That's pretty cool. Apparently I've made it up to the mining area. Oh, can you see that over there? I'm pretty high up here. There's a lot of roads to look at. I hope I don't get lost going back. What's that right there? It is a wall. I wonder if it used to be a mine entrance. You can actually go up higher, but I better start walking back. There's the storage trailer. I'm behind it. Wow. Dang, that was a pretty big hill I walked up. See, right here's a gate, and I should have walked down here the other day, but I did today. You know, I see a gate like that. That means do not enter, but you could enter. It's, it's really cool back here. I'm looking out my window, listening to the wind out there, watching the sun go down. Got about at least 45 minutes left, I think, of solar power. Man, it's been so windy. My poor solar panels. Those are some tough set panels, boy. They broke loose today, this morning. I had to go chase them. Couple loose scratches. Yeah, but they're still working.